This dish is described in a 15th century recipe collection from Nuremberg. A chicken is broiled, then covered in a paste made of eggs, flour and saffron, and baked until golden and crisp. Note that during the Middle Ages, European languages did not have a word for orange. That color was considered a tone of red, hence the name of the dish. Red chicken. A green sauce is recommended as a condiment, which is to be made from eggs and parsley. Unfortunately, the description does not go into detail, so I thought about whether I would like to make a sauce from hard-boiled, chopped eggs with herbs, or rather a herb sauce based on mayonnaise, and decided on the latter. For this, I took a homemade, slightly more liquid mayonnaise so that the sauce with all the parsley in it is not too solid. You can also use ready-made mayonnaise and dilute it with a little water. Saffron was as luxurious an ingredient as it is now, so this is a festive dish. An astounding number of recipes from the Middle Ages and the Renaissance ask for the use of saffron, which only shows that most of the recipes written down at the time were not everyday recipes for commoners. Bon appétit!